One last touch you can add to your card, or if you have some very nice stamps. These can be a very excellent little touch you can do, especially to the back on the doily side of your card, which, you know, it's okay. You want to keep your doily mostly white, but stamps are subtle enough to be able to add without detracting too much. So for this, basically we'll need some ink and a good stamp. And let's put it on there. Now for this, actually, the back of the doily, I don't mind having the only cool color we're going to have on our Valentines. It's okay at this point, because there's really not that much going on in the back of the doily. We're going to try to kind of mirror the other side of the card where we have all those pink hearts. On this side of the card, it's going to be these blue on the white hearts. These don't have to be perfectly equidistant. The one thing to just do to try to kind of avoid going up over the red text. You can even put these on before the text. Personally, I like putting the stamps on last. They're kind of more of an afterthought. There you go. And they can also go up and over the doily border as well. So definitely don't be afraid to do that to add a little bit more of the edge touch. So there's nothing wrong. Don't treat this as too hard of an edge, mind you. I wouldn't do a lot more than, say, about 5 or 6 of these, though, because then otherwise it starts getting kind of cluttered up and crazy. This is a nice, moderate amount, and you can see how it's also mirroring the other side of the card now.